Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Cash App blocking payments. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is verifying your account. Payments are mostly blocked due to verification issues. So open up Cash App and navigate to your profile. Now here you'll see the option to verify your identity. Click on it and submit your documents and this should fix your issue. You can also try to check your internet connection, as having a weak internet connection always leads to problems. Try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa, and you can also try turning on and off airplane mode. Also make sure that you have sufficient balance in your Cash App. So go to Cash App and make sure that you have enough money that you intend to pay. Also check the bank accounts that you have linked with Cash App and see if they have sufficient balance. Another major reason why you might be having problems is that your application is not updated. So go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Cash App and make sure it is updated to the latest version. This will help resolve any bugs and error files. If all else fails, you can always try contacting Cash App support. You can just go to your browser, search for Cash App support and find their help. So just to sum up everything, make sure you have your identity verified, have a stable internet connection, check your balance, update your app and contact customer support, and all of these should fix your issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.